Hi, and welcome to the Professional Development Resource Creation Assignment. I'm Janet Dills, and my topic is strategies used to assess ESL students, a content-related instructional issue. Just give you a rundown of what this is going to consist of. I'm going to introduce myself, introduce the topic, introduce the technology tools, and the instructional application of those technology tools. First, I am a seventh grade social studies teacher with ESL students. I am a one-to-one classroom with technology. I have about 30 laptop computers in my classroom that my students use on a daily basis. My approach is a flipped classroom. I've provided a link for you if you do not know what a flipped classroom, but essentially it is what is typically done in the classroom now becomes what goes on at home, and what normally home for homework, all the assignments, um, all the creating, all of the collaboration is done in the classroom, with the teacher being able to move around and assist students on an individual basis. I am also Google certified, which has come in handy because a lot of the things that we do involve our Google Classroom, our Google Docs, our Google Drive, our Google Forms, our Google everything, basically. We are a Google infused classroom. And on to my classroom. I just wanted to give you a little idea of what my classroom looks like and how we operate. It is, we have embraced alternative seating. So my kids have a rotation schedule of what their group every week rotates from one table to the other. So this provides an opportunity for my students to be comfortable. So they can stand either at the bar top table, chill out on the couches. They can lay out on the floors, two lower tables. They've got cushions. Um, they also have a table of balls that they can use. And then, of course, our regular tables for students who need that structure and consistency. So this is just a little bit about my classroom. You can see that computers are set up everywhere. Even at the couches, they have their computers.